Okay, this is a quick video to explain how to order the correct size filter retainer cover that goes on your filter to hold it into place. There are two different sizes for the Shopvac brand vacuum, and as you can see, many of the filters do not come with the filter in the packaging. Okay, so you would need to get the retainer if you lost it, or if it was accidentally thrown away with the filter when it was discarded. So the two different sizes, one of them is this size here, and it measures just under 5 inches in diameter. The second size measures just over 6 inches in diameter. So I'm hoping this will help you order the correct one. The filter that this one goes into measures across about 7.5 inches, it looks like, and the smaller one measures across here just under 6 inches. So hope this will help you order the correct one and avoid going through the return process.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if you can, please like, subscribe, make a comment. It would certainly help our small business to continue on and make additional videos to help everyone. If you have any additional questions and would like to call us, please ask us for a phone number.